simple, but they felt special to me. I had just received my business packaging the night before, so I left my friend's place carrying everything home. I was excited because every little things remind me that I am slowly building something of my own. On my way home, I realized I stopped at Mega Chicken. I had quite a lot to carry, but honestly, I didn't mind. Every time I looked at the package, I kept smiling because it made me realize that this business is gradually coming together. It's such a small step, but it's still a step, and I am grateful for it. So I got fried rice, merchant salad, ketchup, chicken, and pineapple juice. Honestly, that meal tasted so good because I hadn't eaten it in a while. Sometimes food just eats different when you're really hungry. And something about mega chicken food never slaps. I felt much better. I got home afterwards, settled in, kept my packets on real safe, and call it a day. Looking forward to opening them properly the next morning. My morning started with one of my favorite things, waking up with my cat sleeping on my chest. I don't know what it is, but waking up like this has always put a smile on my face. So before doing anything, I spent some time pampering her because she's literally my baby. Then I sat on the floor to spend time with the kittens. They are going too fast, and when I was playing with them, I noticed they were already bringing out their teeth. My first thought was, oh God, expenses are increasing. They are getting bigger every day, and I already know they are going to need even more food, care, and attention. But honestly, I won't have it any other way. After spending some time with them, I remember the business packaging I had brought home the night before. I dragged it closer to my bed because I couldn't wait any longer to open it properly. I was honestly so excited, so I sat in front of my camera, slowly went through everything. I admire how everything. After that, I went to the kitchen to boil some water for my bath. Then I had my usual child seed with milk. The rest of the day was really slow, peaceful, and honestly just what I needed. 2 days after, I took my warm medication before opening my curtains to let some light into the room. It felt like I hadn't recorded my days for long. I guess that's what happened when documenting your life becomes part of your routine. I sat down in front of my mirror, pampering my cat, singing some songs for her, and did my face routine, my face care routine, because I hadn't shaved my face hair for a very long time, and I noticed how rough my face was getting. So after shaving, I washed my face with some face wash. I used my face scrub. I took my bath afterwards with that, even recording it because I didn't have enough strength due to how my body was feeling. Then after that, I rested, I woke up, then I finally went to meet Aboki to collect my power bank. So please, I hope you enjoy the rest of my videos. Bye bye, cha kisses. Mwah.
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you? I could give you everything. If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you where the water meets the earth we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Sing it out like you want to, Dolly. Like you said.